He flies on the pale wings of glorious, horrific death. His bleak face and cold eyes scans the black horizons for the mad gods of destruction and the demons of dissolution, a wizard in the service of the endless horrors that looms the midnight sky. Like the master he serves, blindly in chaotic death, he kills indiscriminately for no reason at all. A fearsome murderer of things unseen, angels and demonic saviors, of blasphemers and wicked warlocks and damnable destroyers. But can he lift the veil that separates us from unending darkness, from the fearsome unknown? Can he look into the endless abyss, facing the monsters within himself without going irrecoverably mad, calling for the Overlord who has waited for so long? Will they ever answer his call?